So I made a little plugin so that you can control the Hyperdeck from Unreal Engine, and it's mainly made for package projects because I'm working on something that I actually needed. And I thought let's make it just in a plugin. So to get started, we need to make sure that the plugin is actually installed. So Hyperdeck control. At the moment version 0.1, it will give all the functions that you probably need, and you can also send custom functions if you want. So to get started, we start with a actor, Hyperdeck recording. We drag it into our level, and when we open it, we go to the event graph, and what we're looking for is all the different nodes that we can do with this plugin. So what we need to do to actually connect, we only need the actual IP. Nowadays know it by heart. 192.168.1.96. It's my local IP. And then when we have the actual connection set up, we can either play or we can record. So let's start with recording. And we're gonna record with a custom name clip. So if we put in this will be clip 1. Then it will start recording with the clip 1. And because some Hyperdeck models and firmwares can only handle a couple of connections, we make sure after we run this one, we disconnect the actual Hyperdeck. So let's compile. We have the actor in the level and press play. And we see the Hyperdeck is actually start to record. If you now load on that clip, it will have the name that will be in the actual node. So now we of course want to stop this one. Hyperdeck stop playback and recording. And let's run this again. And it will stop. And what we also can do is we can play. So we do the play node. And what we can set here, we can set it's a loop, that it only plays a single clip, and we can set the speed. The speed is 100, and that's the default for normal playback, but you can play around and you can also set it to even a minus value. So when we hit that, we see the Hyperdeck starts playing. Then there's the other node that's important. It's Hyperdeck send custom message. And within your manual of the Hyperdeck, you will see all the different messages that you can actually send. So you can set configurations and things like that. And that's it. A very basic plugin. I will leave a link in the description where you can download it for free. And that's it.